Hello everyone, in this video we discuss what is voice. The question arises, what is voice? Voice is a feature of a verb. It tells whether the subject of the verb acts or is acted upon. It is a feature of a verb that acts or acted upon. It tells whether the subject, it shows the subject is the doer or the subject is acted upon. In this video we discuss the types of voices with the conversion from active voice to passive voice. There are two types of voices, active voice and passive voice. Active voice, a verb is an active voice when its form shows that the subject does something. Here subject is the doer of the action. In active voice, subject is the doer of the action. Example, the dog bit the boy. The dog bit the boy. It is in the past tense. Pooja will present her research at the conference. Pooja will present her. It is in the future tense. Construction of active voice. Now see what is the structure or the construction of active voice. The normal pattern in a sentence is the active voice is. What is the structure of the sentence in an active voice? Subject plus verb plus object. The dog bit the boy. The dog is subject here, bit is verb, and the object is boy. Passive voice. Now come to passive voice. What is passive voice? In active voice we saw that subject is the doer, but in the passive voice the subject receives the action expressed in the verb. Receives the action expressed in the verb, that is the subject is acted upon. Example, the boy in last sentence the dog bit the boy, so it is in the active voice. So how we can change the this active voice into passive voice? The boy was bitten. It was in past tense, so was. Helping verb will be was. The boy was bitten by the dog. Now we will see how we can convert the active voice into passive voice. In active voice the structure is subject plus active verb plus object. Say if we convert this sentence into passive voice, then the subject of the active voice will become the object of the passive voice in the passive voice, and the object in the active voice will become subject in the passive voice. Subject active verb plus object, subject plus passive verb plus by plus agent plus object. By agent will be added in the passive form of the verb. Construction of the passive voice. Subject plus auxiliary verb be. Be form of the verb is, am, are, was, were, plus main verb, and main verb will be always will be in past participle. Example, a letter was written. It is a letter, subject, was is auxiliary verb, and written main verb, which is in the past participle. Now the question arises, when to use passive voice. First, we want to make the active sub-object more important. When we want to show the object is important here, then we use passive voice. And second is, we do not know the active subject, and when the active subject is not known, then we will use passive voice. Now conversion to passive voice according to the tenses. In the last videos we saw tenses, so according to the tenses we see the conversion of active sentence into passive voice. Active voice into passive voice. In simple present tense, how will convert from active voice to passive voice? Simple present tense, Rita writes a letter. It is in the simple present tense. It is in active voice. Rita is subject. It is a verb, active verb, writes, and a letter is object here. So A letter. A letter will become subject here. Writes is in simple present tense, so the helping verb will be is. Written. Written is the past participle by agent, and Rita, the subject, will become object here. So a letter is written by Rita. Next is present continuous tense. Active voice. Active voice में children are helping the poor. Children subject, are helping verb, helping the poor. The poor are being the poor. Are being, it is here the all poor, we are talking about all poor. So the poor are being helped. Whenever it is in the present continuous tense, the being will be added in the passive voice. The poor. Present perfect tense. Active voice. Monu has invited all his friends. Monu is subject here. Has invited all his friends. It is in the present perfect tense. All his friends is object. So friends are plural. So it will object will become subject. All friends. Friends are plural. So it will take have as an helping verb. All friends have been invited by Monu. Next is past indefinite tense. The active voice and passive voice of present perfect continuous tense is not possible, so it is not there. So we shifted to past indefinite tense. We come to past indefinite tense. Active voice. They elected him president. Now they his subject, elected verb, him president. So him is object. So him will become subject here. He was elected president by them. Past continuous tense. The horses were drawing a cart. It is in the active voice. So how we can convert it into passive voice? A cart. It is in singular, but it in the past tense. So a cart was being, because continuous tense always takes being, drawn by the horses. Past perfect tense. Rani had never seen it before. It is in active voice. It had never been seen by Rani. In perfect tense, been will be added to passive voice. It had never been seen by Rani before. Similarly, as we saw that the present perfect continuous tense passive voice is not there, so the past perfect continuous tense passive voice is also not there. Next is future indefinite tense. Active voice. We shall teach him. He will be taught by us. They will have planted trees. Trees will have been will be added here in the future perfect tense. The trees will have been planted by them. Now come to exercise. I love my children. It is in simple present tense. My children are loved by me. Chicky is writing a letter. A letter is being written by Chicky. You have borrowed my book. My book have been borrowed by you. They kept us waiting. We were being kept waited by us. By them. The players were making a noise. A noise was being made by the players. By 18 years of age, Dilip had taken the degree. The degree had been taken by Dilip by 18 years of age. The teacher will have called the roll. The roll will have been called by the teacher. He will write a novel. A novel is a novel will be written by him. A novel will be written by him. You can tally all the answers from this slide. Thank you.